So here we have a question like, I need help with my Google ads. I am new to this and running my ads and spending a lot of budgets which is not generating me enough revenue or conversions. I really need help. So actually the problem is that the conversions are not being generated on Google ads. Basically what he is saying is that his conversions are like this, where the conversion is just one, and he wants to make conversions like this, where 51,000 conversions, or like, or a campaign like this, or conversions like this, 53,000 conversions at $0.52, or conversions like this, or conversions like this. Even this account also has good conversions. Let me show you. Let me move on to the campaigns tab and I can show you how good we are at conversions over here. So you can see 76,000 conversions. Yeah, so if in case if you want conversions like this on your account, so what you have to do is you have to follow a few things. Okay, in my opinion, first of all, I believe that the intent of the user is very important when you're creating a good campaign. By intent means to understand, when a person searches a specific query, what is his in mind and what condition is the buyer's in mind. Is the buyer ready to buy the product or wants to know more about the product? In case if he is not ready to buy the product, then we should not directly land him or her to the buying page, but rather to the awareness page. So depending upon your goal, so keyword research is very important. And second thing is ad copy should be tempting. Tempting ad copy can do wonders. So anything which can create curiosity or something like can create a portion in someone's memory. An ad compelling like this is going to work well. And then an highly optimized landing page, and then bid. You need to focus on bids and budget, and you also need to focus on negative keywords. Campaigns without negative keywords doesn't work well. For some of the clients, what we do is we add negative keywords on daily basis. And then ad extensions are very important. By ad extensions, it can be a call extension, it can be side link extensions, it can be a review extension. So extensions like these are very important. And then keep on marketing is all about testing, testing, testing. So as a marketer, what you have to do is you have to keep on constantly testing out new things, creating new campaigns, creating new offers, because eventually the buyer gets used to or gets bored of your existing ads. So we need to come out with something new every day, and then a highly tempting offer can do wonders. So which is why you need to keep on testing something. You need to look on ad schedules, you need to look on the timings. For some, let me tell you something. One of our client, what we analyze is that the first 10 days of the month works very well for him, and the last 10 days works do not well. Since it's like e-commerce store, we realized that maybe people are out of the budget in the last days of the month, which is why they do not buy. And in the first 10 days of the month, they have a budget or they get their salaries, which is why they're able to buy. So we also need to understand the psyche on why we are not getting conversions. Having a class product, having a class landing page, having an optimized campaign, but the days also played in a role. Like first 10 days were converting well, then the last 10 days. So we also need to understand this scenario, this psyche, as a marketer. I hope you understand on it. And once again, thank you for watching. Bye bye.